No reply from Arvind Kejriwal or Bibhav Kumar, but senior cops of Delhi police have reached Swati Maliwal's residence. That's the big news coming in right now. The cops will likely start an investigation after they record a statement because there's not been a written complaint from the Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament of Aam Aadmi Party, Swati Maliwal, who's the former chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women. But there will have to be an investigation. There will have to be at least some documentation because PCR calls were made. And we are told they have reached Swati Maliwal's residence in Delhi to try and gauge sentiment from her. I want to immediately bring in Milan Sharma for the latest on that. Milan, clearly they were not simply a team of Delhi police. They were senior officers, from what I saw from the ground report you've sent, who arrived at the residence. But any confirmation if she did speak, did she evade, what happened, what is happening now there at the residence? Milan, go ahead.
Well, Pooja, it clearly indicates the fact that Swati Maliwal has been holed up in her residence for the past 3 days. Yesterday, Sanjay Singh was here, and then Vandana Singh was also here. And today, senior officials of the Delhi police have reached her residence unannounced. It wasn't as if the police team was going to reach her and there was any indication or message even to Swati Maliwal and the kind of staff that mans this tower is what we noticed. And certainly, these are high-ranking officials. Additional CP, Commissioner Police Special Cell, and the additional DCP of the North District, a woman officer and a male officer have reached her residence. Outside also, I'll show you the car of the police that is currently stationed there. This was the very vehicle that came in with the police officials at the point of time that we were outside her residence. And it clearly points out to one thing and one thing alone, that perhaps the Delhi police is trying to convince Swati Maliwal to now register a complaint or perhaps look at registering an FIR because of the fact that there has been no complaint that has been put forward by her in this particular matter. Apart from this, also the National Commission of Women had asked the Delhi police to submit a report of action taken report in the next 3 days. This was also an issue that was raised by the Bharatiya Janata Party today, where Gaurav Bhatia did a press conference saying that the National Commission of Women has asked the police to act on its own accord or perhaps take a suo motu cognizance. That particular PCR call that was made by Swati Maliwal on that day in the morning
Milan, I want to know this.
9:30
I see it here. I see at the residence that you're at. Yeah. There's clearly a lot of heightened activity. A lot of reporters have gathered here, expectedly to take a reaction from her. So can we say that, you haven't seen her walk out at least of this apartment premises in the past few hours or possibly days as well? And I'm talking about 4 days here almost.
Yes, let me just show you that this particular tower is the tower where Swati Maliwal resides on the 3rd floor. It is a tower that's a Type 7 made for Rajya Sabha MPs only. So the entire tower is secure as well, and there are Rajya Sabha MPs who live in this particular tower. It's located at a very prime location in the central area of Delhi. But yes, Swati Maliwal has been holed up within her apartment and she has not stepped out. Even yesterday, as we noticed, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh as well as her close aide Vandana, who worked with her in the Delhi Commission of Women, both were here. She did not step out of her house. We even tried to contact her. She was not stepping out of her house. So yeah, the Delhi police has now reached her residence. And of course, as I mentioned, senior officials of the Delhi police have reached her residence. So it's not just to perhaps take cognizance of an NCW report per se, but also to perhaps talk to her or convince her in the matter to perhaps file a complaint, because it was Swati Maliwal, remember, who had gone to the civil lines police station and was willing to file a complaint, but then backtracked and said that I will file a complaint later. So, of course, what kind of action the Delhi police is going to take is also a question. Is Delhi police going to move ahead in a suo motu fashion? Can they, in fact, move ahead without her giving a statement or filing a complaint is also a very big question.
That's the point. If she doesn't give out a written complaint or record a statement, then what happens? And I repeat here, not one PCR call, 2 PCR calls were made, and that clearly leads to, was the situation very serious? From Delhi, let me take you to Lucknow, because that is where Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal is, with Bibhav and with Sanjay Singh. Abhishek Mishra is joining me. Abhishek, you tried your best to get in a word from Akhilesh Yadav, from Mallikarjun Kharge, from the Delhi Chief Minister, from Bibhav even. Looks like everyone is on a silent mode. What are they saying otherwise? What is, if not defense, how are they reacting to the political showdown also that's erupted?
Well, certainly, Pooja, we tried our best to get their reaction, but they kept ignoring the question yesterday, Akhilesh, and today also Kejriwal. His expression was evident enough that he felt that something is getting out of control for the party at the moment, but still kept mum. And Sanjay Singh took over the mic and he said, targeting the BJP, that there has been instances where it was accountability of the government and the BJP and they were silent. Akhilesh said there are several other important issues which needs to be raised rather than, questioning on Swati Maliwal. But,
yes,
today we have witnessed one thing, that the that this Aam Aadmi Party has a clear realization that this is now getting out of their hands. That is why they are not speaking much, although bringing his own OSD alongside in Lucknow is also a reference that they do not believe that there is any fault. Otherwise, they would have, missed the chance, or they would have not tried to bring him alongside. But one thing is very clear, that this is now escalating further. Delhi police has reached the house of Swati Maliwal, and at the same time, the silence of the opposition and Aam Aadmi Party is evident enough to understand that it is getting out of their control.
Abhishek is reporting from is also a lot of heightened political activity. That is where the top India bloc leaders, Mallikarjun Kharge, Akhilesh Yadav, Arvind Kejriwal are there. And amid all of this, while they are trying to divert it, evade any answer, they want to, of course, tone down. It's an election season after all. BJP has jumped on it. BJP spokespersons, BJP leaders, those who have worked with Aam Aadmi Party earlier, all of them are charging at Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. Leading the charge is Home Minister Amit Shah. Here's what he said.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट को अधिकार है न्याय की व्याख्या करने का,
पर पहली बार हो रहा है कि
मगर मैं मानता हूं ये रूटीन और नॉर्मल प्रकार का जुडिशियल जजमेंट नहीं है। काफी लोग देश में मानते हैं कि स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है। अभी तो वो कोई अलग इश्यू में ही फंसे हैं, थोड़ा इनको फ्री हो जाने दीजिए, बाद में देखो क्या होता है।
अखिलेश यादव से जब सवाल किया गया तो उन्होंने कहा कि इससे भी बड़े मुद्दे हैं।
अरे ये तो श्री अखिलेश यादव जी का भी बचकाना बयान है जी, बचकाना जवाब है। इस प्रकार का जवाब देने का मतलब है, एक बार उनको अगर ज्वाइंट प्रेस कर रहे थे तो अगर वो इंडी गठबंधन के वो हिस्सेदार हैं तो पूछना चाहिए ये सब क्या हो रहा है। अगर एक राज्यसभा की सांसद की एक मुख्यमंत्री के आवास पर मारपीट हो जाती है, पिटाई हो जाती है, उस पर सवाल भी पूछना चाहिए, उस पर जवाब भी देना चाहिए। अगर वो जवाब से बच रहे हैं तो वो जानते हैं कि 2024 में चाहे आम आदमी पार्टी हो, चाहे समाजवादी पार्टी हो, चाहे कांग्रेस पार्टी हो, इनका सूपड़ा साफ।
मुझे आम आदमी पार्टी के सीनियर लीडर ने बताया, जो मैं बोल रहा हूं बड़े जिम्मेवारी से बोल रहा हूं, जब स्वाति मालीवाल जी को पिटवाया जा रहा था तो सुनीता केजरीवाल जी आदेश दे रही थी कि इनको मारा जाए, पीटा जाए। और एक बार नहीं, जब स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने पुलिस को फोन किया और केजरीवाल जी को, मिसेस केजरीवाल को पता चलता हो, फिर से आती हैं वापस और वैभव को आके कहती हैं इसको मारते पीटते हुए घर से बाहर फेंक के आओ। स्वाति मालीवाल जी को बुरी तरह से मरवाया, पिटवाया और बेइज्जत किया, और इसके बावजूद क्यों चुप है? राजनीति के मोह के लिए स्वाति मालीवाल, ये पूरी दिल्ली और पूरी देश और औरत का सम्मान करने वाले लोग पूछ रहे हैं, ये औरत का बहुत बड़ा अपमान है।
And all of this is not conjecture. Remember, after the calls made to the PCR and for which Delhi police has confirmed, Sanjay Singh also accepted that there was an incident that has happened at the Delhi CM residence, and he also named Bibhav in it, also promised that there will be action. What precisely did he assure in that press conference and then was seen today with Kejriwal and Bibhav? Listen in.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है।